I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we take freeze-dried to fresh. Today we are making something very cool.
Yeah, potato puffs.
Yes. So we're gonna get started here. We have really hot water from the kettle. Just so you know, you can do this on a stovetop as well. There is a way to do that in the recipes below. We're doing it this way, just with hot water. We'll add the hot water measured amount and the salt and butter. And we're just going to melt this butter. You know, the potato flakes are so versatile. I've thrown them into bread recipes and it just adds a nice flavor and a bit of fluffiness to the dough. We're just gonna add the mashed potatoes right now and we'll mix that in to start getting all refreshed, and then we will be adding the flour as well. Okay, so now that we've mixed this together with the hot water, we are going to now take it to the stove because we have to cook the flour and then add the eggs.
All right, so we removed it from the heat. It's now formed in a bit of a ball, and then we're gonna add one egg at a time, one slime at a time.
As soon as that finishes getting all whipped together, we will add our grated cheese. We have a herbed cheese we wanted to add to this one.
It's a cup.
We'll get that all melted and gooey.
I'm really excited to try these.
And then the green onions. We're just going to now scoop them onto a cookie tray.
And we put down some parchment paper so it's a little bit easier to remove them.
I think 3 should probably be good. And then we preheated our oven as well. And we forgot to mention that this was something that was suggested for us to make from you viewers. So we wanted to give this recipe a try. So we, like Annie said, are excited to give this a try.
And I think we'll be tasting it today with some homemade soup on the side. So we'll be trying that with the soup. All right, so now that we've placed it, we're gonna pop them in the oven and
about 20 minutes.
Yeah, I guess 20 minutes.
And then enjoy them. And remember, you can do this too.